Hi, this is the continuations for the keyboard assignment number 2, exercise number 3. As you can recall in the lectures, I mentioned about those 17th and 18th century keyboardists. There are two skills that they must have. One is the ability to place ornamentations into their improvisations of a melody line. And another skills that they need to have is the so-called figure bass. So which means that if you are given a bass melodic line and then each note has a numeric numbers and then you're supposed to come up with harmony. So each bass note with the numeric numbers will tell you what chord it is supposed to be, and you're supposed to improvise and support the instrumental ensemble. Now, I would like you to experience that, understand how it works here. So that's exercise number 3. So we will begin with the so-called left hand bass, okay, which is the bass note, the lowest note. So let's look at the numeric number. It means single note according to the scale degree. So let's go back to the key of C major. C, 1 is C. So 1, 4, F, 3 is E, 2, D, E, F, G, G, C. So represent 1, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 1. And on top of each bass note, you're supposed to play the chords. So how is that work? So we are still using the numeric numbers. Look at the right hand chords. So that refers to the standard that I explained in the previous video. So look at the standard and then translate it into the intervals. For example, if this is no numbers or a dash mark, that means you're supposed to put a 5-3 in there. All right, so let's take a look. There's no numbers, so put in 5-3. So the first note is 1. On top of the 1, you need to have the interval of 3, an interval of 5 from the C. So what you get is C, E, G. So this is the C major chord. So that's how you got it. Okay. What you need to do, just show me these 3 notes will be enough. Alright, next we see the 4-2. If you refer to the next page, 4-2 means 6-4-2. So have a complete intervals. 4-2 represent 6-4-2. So starting from the 4 in the bass, which is the F in the key of C major, you're looking for the 2-4-6 from the F. F to G is a 2, F to B is a 4, F to D is a 6. So this is the chords, which is G7 chords in the third inversions, F, G, B, D. Next, you have 3 in the bass, which is the E in the bass. Now you see the numbers 6 at the top, so which means 6-3. So from the E, you have 3 is G. 6, E from E to 6 is a C. E, G, C. So this is the C major chord, first inversions. Next, you have 2 in the bass. 2 is the second note in the key of C major, D. Now look at the interval, right hand interval. 4-3 stand for 6-4-3. So D, F is a 3, 4 from D is the G, 6 from D is the B. So D, F, G, B. So this is a G7 chord, second inversions. Now we have the next one, 3 in the bass, E. So 6 means 6-3. So let's measure the interval from E. 3 is G. 6 from E is a C. E, G, C. Next one, we have 4 in the bass is F. And then it's a 6, 5. 6, 5 represents 6, 5, 3. From F, 3 is A. 5 from F is C. 6 from F is D. So you have F, A, C, D. Alright, so next chord, 5 in the bass is G. 6, 4 is still 6, 4. 4 from G is C. 6 from G is E. Next one, we have 5 in the bass, G. 7s represent 7, 5, 3. Interval from G, 3 is B. 5 from G is D. 7 from G is F. And then the last chord is 1. Remember, dash doesn't mean you don't play any chords there, but you are supposed to come up with a 5, 3. So 3, 5. I'll play through the whole chord progressions here. C, E, G, F, G, B, D, E, G, C, D, F, G, B, E, G, C, F, A, C, D, G, C, E, G, B, D, F, C, E, G. Alright, so remember, the bass notes represent the scale degree single notes, and then the numeric number above it represent intervals from the bass note. Alright, so your assignment is supposed to think about G major and F major. And for those who are Braveheart or YST students, I would like you to invite you to play D, A, and E major. And then for Prestige class and piano majors, I would like you to try all major keys. Alright, have fun. See you.